How to change language preferences on Grammarly keyboard. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change language preferences easy and fast. So all what you have to do guys is just go to Grammarly app. Now click on the second option, it's Grammarly settings. Click on it like this and then go down here until you find language preference here. Click on it and here you can change the language preference easy and fast by choosing the one that you want. It's very easy and I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.